video. On this very video, I'm going to show you a formula where you can earn up to 120,000 naira every month without trading capital. And of course, it is completely white label free automated system that will be built for you, that will make this money for you, and it is a product that sells itself. So my name is Mr. Shedrack, and this is Logical Business TV, a place where we teach ethical and information marketing business in the world. Do me a favor, do us a favor by like, share this video, so that whenever a video like this release, you first will be notified. Having said that, let's go for the video properly. Now, for a very long time, people has been buying things online, especially on the area of telecommunication. One of the hottest products in which people has been buying so big and of course so fast, and that is that of data. Data has been proven to be one of the hottest products in the market right now. So in this very video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can actually make so much money by just becoming a data reseller portal owner. This particular business is something that has been there in the market and of course it's not going to close sooner than we expected. It's going to be there for a long time, and in as much as everybody is accessing the internet, this business will continue to thrive. Okay, so the first thing you have to do first is there's a link in the description of this video. Just click on that link to join the WhatsApp group. It's a free WhatsApp group where we talk about V2 portal setup. We also give announcements as regard to our businesses, whatever that is upcoming. We're able to announce it on this very group. This group is free to join, so use the link in the description of this video to join the group. Having said that, let's go to the video properly. Now, the product that gained the best return in telecommunication business in Nigeria and how to get in. One of the products, of course, I'll be saying is based on every indication and fact or search volume on the internet, is MTN SME, and a newly product which is called MTN corporate data gifting. Okay, this has been one of the product that has been having a high return in business in Nigeria as far as telecommunication business is concerned. Okay, now how can you earn real time income by just selling MTN data and corporate data gifting? There is two ways you can make a sales where you can be selling this product. You can sell it as a vendor by just buying from the platform. It can be from our own platform, or you can also source platform elsewhere in anywhere you are in Nigeria. But one good thing about selling directly to the customer is this: you are limited to sell to a few customers. But once you have a website, a data reseller website, just a website that concentrates on selling of data, you have more larger audience, and more people are going to buy from you. You know why? Because it is no longer the effort of one person, or rather it is the effort of the multitude. And remember, this platform will be building for you are automated, in the sense that even they have 1,000 people that is buying this product from, you are going it will be going to be delivering every minute, every second. So it is good for someone who want to go in for this business to own a website. Okay, own a data reseller website. That's called a data reseller website. A data reseller website is just a website that talks about only on this product, which is SME. You just concentrate on selling SME, and then let's look at this, how you can actually make so much money by doing this business. If you have your own portal today, and maybe you are buying from us at the rate of 220 per gig, and let's say you decide to sell at rate of 230 per gig to your customer, here is your profit based on volume of transaction. 25 people purchase per day. We give you 230 times by 25, which is 5,750. Your profit for that day is 250. Your monthly profit is 7,500. If 50 people purchase per day, your total capital will be 11,500. Your profit daily will be 500, while the monthly profit will increase to 15,000. Why, if 100 people purchase, your profit for a day will be 1,000, monthly profit will be 30,000. If 150 people purchase per day, your profit for a day is going to be 1,500, monthly profit will be 45,000. Why, if 200 people purchase just 1 gig per day, your profit for that day will be 3,000, monthly profit will be 90,000. Then if you have 400 people purchasing data from you in a day, your profit for that very day will be what? 4,000. Monthly profit will be 120,000. Now, one thing about what I'm saying is this: if you order for this product, that is this data reseller product, it does not mean that you must have 400 people to buy from you for you to be able to make this kind of amount of money. You can even get one person or two people that are also a reseller, people that are reselling to others, and these people may have like audience that they are selling to. Maybe one person may decide to be buying one gig for you up to like maybe 500 worth of gig of data. It means you are also making so much money. So the thing does not really depends on you must have 400 people before you can make this kind of amount of money. So it all depends on the volume of transactions, the margins that you are going to set, which we are going to set it for you. And of course, you have seen from the calculation here that so much money are in the table for you to make. And once you make this money is yours. And remember, this business is business that will never get saturated. It will keep on coming, because everybody, even as I'm talking to you, for me to be able to air this thing on the channel, I have subscribed for data. If I don't subscribe for data, there's no way I can be able to air this. And we have make the product to be very cheap, in the sense that you are getting the product at a very cheap rate compared to any of the places you have seen it on the internet. Now, a special offer is given to you now, so you can see from the above analysis that data reseller business is the best to venture into business, because the profit margin is very high. As you can see, if you wish to start this data reseller business using this special say analysis, that's this formula I just said now, please indicate interest below. How do you indicate interest? Join the group and then come and say, yeah, I'm interested on this. We will offer the setup portal for 2 people for 8,000 naira only today on .com.ng domain, and give you a secret of how to get thousands of people to use your data reseller portal. Note, only SME data and corporate data gifting will be developed for you on this portal. It will be ready under 3 hours after you make your payment, so you can start right away. The system is automated, so you can be sleeping and making money on autopilot. What it means is this: we are going to be setting up this particular special website, data reseller website, that just says MTN and corporate data gifting alone, and we are giving it as a free, because normally what we use in setting up V2 websites is from something from 28,000, 50, 100, 300, 500,000. But right now you are going to be getting it at rate of 8,000. Okay, once you pay to 8,000, we get it .com.ng for you, and of course do the needful by designing a sophisticated data reseller business. Just focus on data, nothing like maybe airtime or any of these things. No, just data, and it's SME data and corporate data gifting. My brother, my sister, you are going to enjoy this business, because this business is going to wow you. You know why? Because data is life. Okay, in as much as the way people use airtime every day, that's how people use data. Okay, so that is a promise. So you start making your order as you are watching this video. Start making your order, join the group, DM admin, so that you can get direct bank details for you to make your payments. And of course, another thing that we're going to do for you is very on this particular business is that this data reseller portal will come with free basic Android app, so that your user can download and install it. They will have the app on their phone, so that they can vend this product. So you know how much they are building up. If you meet the developer to build app for you, irrespective of any kind of app, you pay from something from 20 to 50,000. But right now you're gonna get it for free. Are you getting it? Just to sponsor, it's just like a sponsored business. We have paid for this business, so you are going to just start, so that you shouldn't say, oh, I don't have money to do this business because of the cost implication in your website. There's so many high costs of, the thing is very cost. This is a time you are going to start a business, start it on a good ground, and of course you have everything that is needed to run this business from day one. Okay, Android app, an eye-catching landing page will be developed for you. Sub reseller setup integration, that is people can order for the same data reseller portal from you, and you'll be rewarded with 2,000 naira commissions paid data reseller portal setup coming from you. So that's another kind of good thing that you are going to get from this particular business. So what we are going to do for you is that we're going to set up a data reseller portal sub reseller systems for you, so that people can also order for the same portal which has made you so much money, and you are going to be making 2,000 naira pay setup. Once someone's website is ready, you get your own 2,000 naira. So if you look at it now, 5 orders in a week makes you 2,000 times by 5, which is 10,000 in a week. In a month you make roughly 40,000. That just for just resellers, people that are coming in for reseller packages. Then 10 order in a week makes you 20, 20 okay, 2,000 times by 10, which is you're going to give you 20,000 in a week. In a month you will make 80,000. Okay, with this you can raise enough cash quicker to upgrade to a higher package. If you wish to add other product like airtime, TV, electricities, and also to upgrade to other packages, you can do that by the sow seed money. Because let me tell you one thing, even a farmer that farms in a farm, that is what we call sow seed capital. So you don't expect everything to be free for you. And when you are seeing opportunities like this, don't hesitate to take action, because sometimes the opportunity like this does not really happen every time. And the one that happens, if you don't take actions, maybe you may wake up one day and then maybe chat us, we say that no, this thing is no longer available. So right now the offer is available, so start ordering now and start making so much money. Imagine using 8,000 to make up to 120,000 in a month. What kind of business have you done that does that for you in Nigeria or any other part of the world? It is only on telecommunication business that this kind of business are guaranteed. So I am Mr. Shedwak telling you, start this business, join the group, indicate interest, and then we'll send you a bank details to make payment. And of course, your portal will be ready in 3 hours, and you can start the business right away. Thanks and God bless.